Hello, welcome. This is Lisa Howard coming to you again with another video. This channel is about entrepreneurship and earning money online. So today I want to talk about staying consistent in your commitment. And mainly I want to say, talking about this channel, my channel, in that the growth of it. So right now, at the making of this video, I'm at 26 subscribers. I was at like 18 maybe a week or two ago, something like that. I don't know. But the reason that I continue to post these videos is because I know, and I've said it in another video, in a video previously, that I have decided that this channel will be the channel to help to change other people's lives. So that is the reason I consistently post these videos, and I get a couple of views here and there, not a lot. But I guarantee you, in a year, that's going to all change. And these videos that are getting 5, 10, 20 views, people are going to go back to these and see where I started. Because of where I'm going, they will want to track my progress. So that is why I consistently post my videos, and I consistently try to keep people motivated and knowing that all great things start out small. So future me is gonna give you that proof. Like, I follow some other YouTube channels where they have, gotten lots and lots of, like, thousands of subscribers, and they're doing well. They're making thousands a month, and that's not to say everybody will. I will, but that's not to say that everybody will, because everybody cannot maintain the consistency that is required in anything, not just being a YouTuber or an affiliate marketer or whatever it is. Most people will fail because of the humble beginnings, and they don't want to go through the process of the growth that you have to do. You have to go through the process of growing in order to make it to where you're trying to go. Everybody is not born with millions. Now, the people that's born with millions, well, good for them. You are not them. If you're looking at this video, you're probably not that. So you can believe the hype of some of these other people that tell you you can get online and make $1,000 starting today. You could start today, but you're not making $1,000 today. I doubt it. Is it possible? Yeah, I guess. But if that's what you are looking for, even if you're trying to do a YouTube channel, if you're trying to be an affiliate marketer, if you're trying to sell hot dogs on the street, it don't matter. You have to start small and work your way to where you're trying to go. So the reason I'm doing this video is for, once I have the subscribers and the earnings that I'm going to have, we can look back at this video and see where I started, so that it can be an inspiration to somebody else, so that they can know that they can do it too. Delayed gratification is what you should concentrate on, not instant success. So that is what that's the message that I had laid upon my heart to talk to you today about, because I see YouTube had suggested some, since I'm in the make money online niche. YouTube had suggested this video, and I watched it with this guy who was like, you can earn $1,000 today. I've been online long enough to know better than that. And you need to know better than that too. You can look at those videos, but chances are you're not going to make $1,000 today or tomorrow, or maybe not even next month. But if you are consistent, if you study your craft, if you keep pushing, then you will make $1,000 a day. But you just got to keep working. Don't believe all of the craziness. So that's my spiel for today. And I will see you back here in my next video. So if you like this kind of content, please like, subscribe. It does help, because when you like, subscribe, and comment, it makes YouTube algorithm know that people actually want to hear what she has to say. So let's put her in the suggested videos so we can get more people to see her. So whenever a YouTuber, whenever you're looking at a YouTube video that you actually like, that you got some kind of value from, then try to support that YouTuber and like, comment, and if you really like it, subscribe, because it does help them in this platform to reach more people. So with that being said, I want you to have an awesome day. And thank you for watching. I really, really appreciate you.